Like I'm gonna be out here all night. There go another train. Damn. This happens every single night. 3 trains in a row. Now, the one that just rolled past was a Norfolk Southern that had a k5hl train on it. Now this better be a BNSF. And how they keep going in behind each other fast like that, they got tracks, they got signals, they got speed limits. I'm not even done uploading the second video I recorded, man. This is my second fucking video, third video. I'm not even done uploading the second video. Damn, I'm running out of space on my phone and shit. It is 9:30 at night. Friday, December 23rd. Damn. Another train, back to back. Them trains keep coming back to back. Hey, they keep coming back to back. They just gonna keep on coming. They love me. No, them trains got different horns. Different. Oh man, I'm out here tonight. I gotta say, this is the busiest train track in Gary, Indiana. This is the Norfolk Southern line. Damn. Jesus Christ, this is the busiest line. I know them gates time. I know them gates like, man, what the fuck? Woof, 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 woof. Little 2 big dogs right there. Oh shit. 2 of them. 2 of them fuckers. Woof, woof. I just saw 2 big black dogs walking across the snow. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is definitely a BNSF. Because BNSF do not flicker their lights. And look, this motherfucker on. What a dumbass. Look how they bouncing. Yeah, this is a BNSF. Same train from yesterday. Container train. That's crazy. I just saw 2 black dogs roll right across the snow, bro. That shit crazy.